about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, form of energy that an object or a particle has by reason of its motion. If work with transfer energy is done on an object by applying a net force, the object speeds up and thereby gains kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is a property of a moving object or particle and depends not only on its motion but also on its mass. The kind of motion may be translation or motion along a path from one place to another. Rotation about an axis, vibration, or any combination of motion. An example of kinetic energy is 1. The moving coconut fell from the tree, kicking the ball. Translational kinetic energy of a body is equal to 1/2 the product of its mass, Rm, and the square of its velocity, Rv. This formula is valid only for low to relatively high speed. For extremely high speed particles, it yields values that are too small. The unit of energy in the meter/kilogram/second system is the joule. For example, a car having a mass of 500 kg is traveling at a speed of 25 meters per second. Calculate the kinetic energy of the car at that speed. What will happen if the car brakes suddenly? Answer: the kinetic energy of a sedan car can be calculated as follows. A chi equals to 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. A chi equal to 1/2 times 500 times 25 times 25. A chi equals to 156.250 joules. When the car brakes, the car will stop. Kinetic energy will be transformed into heat energy and sound energy generated by friction between the brakes and the axles and the tires on the road. For a rotation body, the moment of inertia I corresponds to mass, and the angular velocity, or omega, corresponds to linear or translational velocity. Accordingly, rotational kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 the product of the moment of inertia and the square of the angular velocity. So, the explanation of kinetic energy. Thank you for your attention.